channel, Sheryl, Belgium. So, medyo matagal-tagal guys bago tayo nag-share ng ating cooking thing again. So, ngayon guys, it's weekend nga pala, happy weekend, it's Friday, and I'm going to cook spaghetti, pasta. So, simple ingredients lang to guys. Very simple. Wala tayong meat. So here are the ingredients of our vegetarian spaghetti. 500 grams. So, 3. So, our pasta is 1,500 grams. And then this one, vegetarian meat and meatballs. And then I use red onion because it's tasty. And we have also Italian spaghetti sauce, miracoli, and chararan, spaghetti sauce. Filipino style. So we just have 1, 2, 3 ingredients and this one. So let's start guys. So it takes time bago naman tayo magluto ulit, kasi usually frozen or ready to eat na yung mga kinakain natin this past few days. So ngayon lang tayo nagka-time mag-share sa inyo ng aking lulutuin na good for 1 week. Actually, marami na to siya guys. 1,500 grams is a lot. Pero, ilalagay ko siya sa container at ilagay natin sa freezer para reheat na lang if we want to eat. So, let's start. So, let's put in our pasta. Here is it. Capellini. So, let it stay for 10 minutes. Start our onion. Excuse me sa aking nails guys. Kasi mahirap kasi siyang tanggalin naturally, kaya wait natin na magtanggal siya by itself. Almost cooked. Almost cooked. So less than 10 minutes. Wow. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. Here is our pasta. And now let's make our sauce. Let's add some oil. And let's saute the red onion. Saute the red onion for 1 minute. So our onion is ready, and I will add this one, pisto verde. And now let's add the vegetarian meat. And the meatball. This is vegetarian also, guys. And then stir it for 1 minute. So smell good. Let's cover it for 1 minute. Now let's add the spaghetti sauce. This one, Filipino style. And this one, it's tomato sauce. And then some condiments to make it tasty. I don't need to use salt because I have this one. And then stir. And I will add 500 grams of water because it's very sticky. We add more water. And let's simmer it for 5 minutes. Our sauce is finito. Fini. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. Charan. Now I want to prepare for hubby. And then the sauce. And we can add this one on top. It's a cheese. Hirasp. Padano cheese. Here you go, ready to eat. It's very yummy.
Almost.